Improving sentence structure in English is a key skill that helps learners express their ideas clearly, professionally, and with confidence in both writing and speaking. A strong sentence begins with a clear understanding of the basic structure: subject plus verb plus object. For example, in the sentence Emma reads books, Emma is the subject, the doer, reads is the verb, the action, and books is the object, what is receiving the action. Learning this basic structure helps build the foundation of good English. But strong sentence structure is more than just grammar, it's about how ideas are organized, connected, and delivered. One of the most helpful ways to grow is by learning the 4 sentence types. Start with simple sentences, which express one complete idea, like Liam plays football. Then move to compound sentences, which connect 2 related ideas using conjunctions like and, but, or so. For instance, Liam plays football, and Olivia watches him practice. Next are complex sentences, where one idea depends on the other. These use subordinating words like because, although, or since. For example, although Olivia was tired, she completed her assignment. Finally, compound complex sentences bring everything together, 2 independent ideas and 1 dependent idea, like, Emma wanted to read her book, but she had to go to sleep because it was late. Using a variety of these sentence types adds rhythm and flow to your writing and makes your thoughts easier to follow. Another important area of improvement is avoiding common mistakes like sentence fragments, incomplete sentences, and run-on sentences, 2 or more sentences joined without proper punctuation. A fragment, such as because Noah was sick, leaves the listener or reader wondering what happened next. You can correct it by completing the idea: because Noah was sick, he stayed home from school. A run-on example would be, Sophie wanted ice cream, she forgot her wallet. To fix this, break the sentence or add proper punctuation: Sophie wanted ice cream, but she forgot her wallet. These mistakes often happen when people rush or don't think about the connection between ideas. Another excellent tool for improving structure is the use of linking words and connectors. These include transition words such as however, therefore, meanwhile, as a result, and on the other hand. They help to connect sentences smoothly. For instance, compare, James was tired. He went to work anyway with James was tired, however, he went to work anyway. The second version flows better and sounds more natural. It's also helpful to use the active voice more than the passive voice. In active voice, the subject does the action: the manager approved Olivia's request. In passive voice, the subject receives the action: Olivia's request was approved by the manager. Although passive voice is sometimes useful, active voice is usually more direct and powerful.